Hello YouTube family, you're welcome back to Esteri Ayaba kitchen. How are y'all doing? Today I have a very delicious meal for you, and without much time, let's get right on. In a pot, go ahead and add just a little bit of oil, add chili pepper and habanero. If you don't like a lot of hotness in your food, skip this part or just put a little bit. And I let that sit, then add onions. Let the onion and the hotness of the pepper infuse into the oil, after which I poured in my coleslaw. At this point, make sure that your stove is on low heat. Mix it together and let that sit for just 30 seconds. Then I poured in my mackerel, eggs and mushroom. All this has been cooked off the camera, so I just poured that in, mix that together and let that sit for a minute. After a minute, I did turn off the stove and added the green onions. Left it on the stove, but the stove has been turned off. Take a look at that. Oh my god, this is so delicious, and you can eat this with rice, bread, or just by itself with a cup of tea or water. Remember, it is veggies and you don't want it to be overcooked, okay? All right, and once you're done with that, we're gonna be making our wrap. I'll be making use of the whole wheat wrap, and I add a little bit of oil in a pot. Now make sure it's very little because this meal cannot be oily. Put in the tortilla wrap, let that toast, flip it and let the other side toast. Once that is done, take it out and put that in a plate. Add your sauce. You can skip this part if you don't want it, but I added a little bit of sauce. And put in your veggies, your coleslaw, and wrap it, and go ahead and repeat the same process. I'll be making use of the gluten-free spinach herbs tortilla. Check that out, y'all. Check that out. You can eat it like this if you want to, but for me, I just love crunchy stuff. So because of that, I'll go ahead and toast the front, back and sides. I am so sorry that this video is coming late. I just had a whole lot going on, so I'm sorry that this upload is coming late, and thank you for believing in me. And once that is toasted, the tortilla wrap is ready. Take a look at that. Oh my goodness. Yummy, yummy. This is so delicious and very filling. You can make this for breakfast, lunch or dinner, and it is also cost efficient and healthy. Alright, if you're still watching me and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified once I drop the next video. Thank you for watching. Till my next video, food is life. Bye.